Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to create this kind of concentric animation on board screen where you can navigate to another page like this kind of animation will appear. So for this I have used one package which is Concentric transition, and I will put the code on GitHub and also will provide the link for this package in my description box. You can check that. Without any delay, let's get started. So for this I have taken here, this is my home screen and it is a stateful kind of widget. And first of all I will create here one array. I will call this card data. And what is this card data? This is the UI which will appear here. We will have to design the UI for this particular screen. So for this is my card data and it will model. So let's start. So what kind of data it will take? It will take like title, subtitle, image, background color, title color and subtitle. This card data, and these are the required title, subtitle, image, background, title and subtitle colors. And inside this class, this is the card UI view, and we will design this particular screen. So I will have to call this data to initialize this. Inside this build method I'm returning column, and inside this it will be children, and inside this there will be text, and this is the styling I have taken for this title. Font size is 22 and this is bold, and manage overflow also here. So these are the basic properties for the text. And for this subtitle, again calling the value of the subtitle from data.subtitle, and this is the styling I'm providing to this subtitle text. This particular thing in landscape mode, you will have to add here flexible of 20 flex value, and image will be visible inside this flex data.image. And actually it is a kind of widget, its type is widget, that is why as a child we can use that. And we will have to add spacer here. We are adding only for landscape mode because it was giving overflow error, that is why I'm handling this with the help of spacer. Again I will have to add spacer here also, and here also at the bottom. Yes, that's it. This is the code for this UI. And now let's jump into our home screen. So let me complete this array. It has an element of card data type. So what kind of parameters we will have to pass? There is actually title, subtitle, image. So inside image I'm passing here Lottie files. You will have to install another package by the name Lottie, and yeah, this is the screen. So then you can able to use like lottiebuilder.asset, and you will have to download that JSON folder of the particular image, and you can put your JSON file here. And let's move forward. I will show you how to download a JSON file from Lottie website. But for now let me continue this. This is the background color I'm choosing. This is the title color, and again subtitle color. And what I'm doing, I'm just doing copy paste here because I want to show 5 screen. So just copy paste, and the value of the asset image is changing only, animation 2, animation 1, and also the background color. This one is 4 and this one is 5. So for now what I'm using here animation 1 JSON file. I'm repeating this image. So what I will do, I will go to Lottie files and will show you to download it. So this is the website of Lottie files. I want to download this image, so I will have to tap on this. It has opened, and go to download, save to workspace to download. Now, so let's move to the dashboard now. This is the image. From here you can download as. There are the several files available, formats, so you will have to download this Lottie JSON. It is downloaded, so go to download folder, and this is the animation here. I'll copy this, will paste in this asset folder. Here it is. Close this, and instead of the last one, which is the animation 1, I'll use here animation 5. Only the last thing is left. We'll have to add this title and subtitle. So for this, providing some meaningful values, I have already created some text from ChatGPT. You can use mine or you can generate your own, whether your data will come from the API, so we'll have to manage these things. This is it. Now we'll start code inside this scaffold. So I'm using inside this scaffold, this is Concentric page view, and it is coming from the package that we have installed in the beginning. And let's move forward. Item count, I'm providing the same. This is my array of card data, so I will provide this array like data.length, and for colors also I'm providing the array of colors. This is the color, title color, subtitle color, and background color. So data.map and e.background color dot to list, and item member will be in type, and it is the index. And inside this we will have to return, and I'm using the same card view from this. This is the UI that I'm calling on my home screen. Inside card view we'll have to pass data, because here I have created required field. This is data and it is of card data. This data and the index is coming from this item builder. And also there is on change predefined functionality available. Whenever the screen will be changed, this method will be called. Let me open the console, and whenever I will tap on this circle, here it is showing the current index. It is 1, 2, and just want to tell you that there is some mistake with the colors. So inside this card data, there is this subtitle text, and inside this text style you will have to add here data dot subtitle color. Now let me run this. Now it is right. So background color, this one is the title color and this is the subtitle color. And one more thing, just I want to let you know that color which you will provide here in the second element of the array will be present here. It means the next background color will be visible on the tap of this. So whenever we will tap on this, this is the background color now, and now this yellow one is available here, and the background color for the third will be set from here. When I will tap on this, it will change to yellow. So this is the thing. And also once your onboard screen is finished, then there is also a predefined functionality available with this, which is on finish. So what I will do, I will navigate to login screen. So let me run this once again. So this is my first screen, this one is second one, this is the third one, fourth, this one is fifth. And once the screen is completed, it will move toward login screen. So it is some basic thing available here, just text and image. So I will also explain this. So this is scaffold, and inside this I've taken body as center, and there's child column, and main axis alignment is center, and obviously it will take children inside. And this is text, and the text is login screen, and this is the normal UI provided for this particular text. And after this, size box, and this is another text, and after this there is GIF image. So whenever I will tap on this, no, first of all let me run this. Second, third, fourth, this is the final one. This is the login screen now. You can also do one more thing, which is this radius. By default it is 40, and suppose if we will pass the value 200, now the circle radius has increased, and when I will tap on this particular area, it will animate like this. And if this video is helpful to you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. That's it for now. Hope to see you next time and in next video. Bye for now.